we have to find the length of segment KL. We have given triangle. This triangle is divided by segment KM, and we see that segment KM is perpendicular to segment LN. Why? Because we have a square here. So KM segment is perpendicular to LN, or we can write ML, it doesn't matter, it's still the same segment, LN segment. What else? We have these red marks of segment LM and MM. It means that these two segments are congruent. So M is the midpoint of segment LN. So we can write that M is the midpoint of LN segment. So from these two statements we have that KM segment is perpendicular bisector of segment LN. So we can write that KM segment is a perpendicular bisector of LN segment. So if KM is perpendicular bisector of LN segment, we can use perpendicular bisector theorem, which tell us that now if KM is perpendicular bisector of LN, it means that KN side is congruent to KL side. So we can write that by perpendicular bisector theorem. KL is equal to KN. And we have given KL by expression 12x minus 5, so we can substitute left side by 12x minus 5 is equal a, and KN side is given by expression 9x plus 7. So we got equation with one unknown x. So now we will solve this equation. I will move 9x to the left side, so it will be 12x minus 9x is equal 7, and now negative 5 we will move to the right side, so it will be plus 5. 12x minus 9x is 3x is equal 7 plus 5 is 12, because we have multiplication on the left side, so I will divide both sides by 3 to get x. So 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 4, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we have unknown x. So now we will come back to our side KL. We have to find the length of segment KL. So KL is given by expression 12x minus 5. So now x we will substitute by 4. So we have 12 times 4 minus 5. We have to copy is equal 12 times 4 is 48 minus 5. This is equal 43. So we got the length of segment KL. This is my solution.